Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the 2 words for today. Number 1, I have many chickens and pigs. Correct. Number 2, do you want another pen? Do you know what another means? Number 1, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is a farmer. Jennifer is a farmer. Farmer. She works on a farm and she grows food for us. Now we can make a flashcard for farmer and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write farmer up here in the top left corner. F-A-R-M-E-R. Down here, P-E-O 1. This means people, level 1. And over here the number 15 out of 78. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Farmer. Farmer. Number 2, please listen and write this in your notebook. Do you want another hamburger? Do you want another hamburger? Another. Do you want another hamburger means, do you want one more hamburger? Now we can make a flashcard for another. And this word has 2 meanings. Please repeat. I don't like this pen. I want to use another pen. When we use it like this, it means a different pen. Number 1, another hamburger, one more hamburger. Number 2, a different pen, another pen. Please make a card like this. Write another up here in the top left corner. A-N-O-T-H-E-R. 2 ways to use it. One more and a different one. GW1 means grammar word level 1. Number 12 out of 135. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. Another. Another. Game over. You did very well today. Bob is a farmer. Yeah, he grows vegetables and food for us. Number 2, do you want another pen? Yeah, 2 meanings. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1 is a place where you can catch a train. Station. Very good. Number 2, how do you say it? None. Yeah, this means 0. Number 3, a direction. Southern. Yep, with an R. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is a complete 2-year course. It is rotating, so you can join anytime. Please write your language on the other side of the card. How do you say farmer in your language? Correct. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.